a closer look at its features, performance and overall value. Now let's dive into the depth of this video. The Amazon Basics Neoprene Workout Dumbbell is available in various weight options, ranging from 1 pound to 20 pounds. Each dumbbell is made of cast iron and coated with a neoprene material which provides a comfortable grip and prevents slippage during workouts. The dumbbells are also color-coded based on their weight, making it easy to identify them at a glance. One of the standout features of these dumbbells is their neoprene coating. Not only does it provide a comfortable grip, but it also protects floors and other surfaces from scratches and dings. This is especially important if you plan on using the dumbbells on hardwood floors or other delicate surfaces. In terms of performance, these dumbbells are reliable and durable. The cast iron construction ensures that they can withstand regular use without bending or breaking. The neoprene coating also helps to absorb shock, which can reduce the impact on your joints during exercise like bicep curls and shoulder presses. As with any product, there are pros and cons to consider before making a purchase. Let's take a closer look at some of the advantages and disadvantages of the Amazon Basics Neoprene Workout Dumbbells. These dumbbells are priced competitively, making them a great option for budget-conscious shoppers. The neoprene coating provides a soft and comfortable grip which can be especially beneficial during longer workout sessions. The cast iron construction ensures that these dumbbells can withstand regular use without bending or breaking. The color-coded design makes it easy to identify the weight of each dumbbells at a glance. While there are several weight options available, some users may prefer a wider range of weights to choose from. Some users have reported a strong rubbery smell when first using these dumbbells. However, this typically dissipates over time. Overall, the Amazon Basics Neoprene Workout Dumbbells is a solid choice for anyone looking to add some basic strength training to their home gym. The affordable price point, comfortable grip, and durable construction make them a great value for the money. Plus, the color-coded design makes it easy to keep your workout routine organized and efficient. If you are in the market for a reliable and affordable set of dumbbells, the Amazon Basics Neoprene Workout Dumbbells is definitely worth considering. Thank you for joining us for this review, and we hope it has been helpful in your purchasing decision.